Charles Barkley, ringless as well, was an absolute force, just like Allen Iverson drug his team to the finals to play against Jordan. Almost won, not quite, but I'm going to put him right there next to Allen Iverson. Put him right there next to Allen Iverson. It's about scooping those championships. Julius Erving. Now see, Julius Erving is one of the best basketball players of all time. People don't quite realize it wasn't just what he did in the NBA. I do believe he had a very successful career before in the ABA, whatever league it was before when they merged. But Julius Erving was the Michael Jordan before Michael Jordan. And again, he's going to be tier 2 simply because of just, he's not in the GOAT conversation, but he's definitely tier 2. He is up there. He's tier 2. Is he that much better than Clyde and Hakeem? I would say so. I was there, I know. Drink your water. Hit that sub button.